Yo, it's Keith and welcome back to the channel. Listen, last time we were on part 3 of the rear end series. We're going to take a break from that, drop the gas tank, put a new fuel cylinder in, put it back up. That's the gist of the video, you feel me? So like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Kick your feet up, get some popcorn, get an icy, man, and come watch with your boy. I deactivated my Instagram, okay? I deactivated it because this month I'm solely focused on dropping these YouTube videos and just taking time for myself, you know what I'm talking about? I'll be back in March, you feel me? But with that being said, come rock with your boy, man. Let's go. Just enough over here. Squeeze the ring. There we go.
Yeah, I'm holding it. It was caught on that little screw right there, I think.
Oh, you just undid it?
No, it's still there. You see that one that's protruding out?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, you hurt yourself?
Yeah, my finger. So
oh, shit. My bad, son.
It's all good.
Alright, that's all we need. Alright, y'all, we got the tank down. So, the top isn't too bad, it's just dirty. So, I'm gonna clean that off, wire wheel it, paint this up. And then, as you see over here, we got the signal wire for the fuel cylinder. And then we have the ground right here. So we're gonna fix that up, get that removed, get this whole fuel cylinder moved, and then yeah, put the new one in that mug after we paint. We good to go. We're gonna pop it back up. This is gonna be done today. Alright, we have that open. Let me just vacuum this out just a little bit more. So, yeah, you can smell them fumes now. There it is. The gasket is still good. Look at that. The gasket looking real good. Back with me. Oh, that fuel cylinder. I don't look bad. There you go. There it is. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take this tank over. To the workbench. No. I gotta dump the fuel. Oh shit! I gotta dump the fuel. Shit! I gotta dump the fuel, bro. We're gonna dump that in the gas can real quick.
Awesome.
Are you good?
I'm holding it.
As long as we don't lean any one way too much. It's not too much for it, is it? Good.
And you can put it in the other end as well. And I think this piece would have to be more elevated, but it would.
All right, so I'm not going to clean off the entirety of this thing because it's just going to sit down there again for, you know, who knows how long. So what I did was, I still got to finish this side, but I wire wheeled the front of this all right here, and then the side here. I painted the bottom before because I could reach that, but now that I have the tank all the way down, I'm going to paint where you can see underneath the car when it's actually installed. So the top, I'm not doing anything to. I just cleaned it off somewhere, just took a vacuum to it. But I'm gonna finish doing this side, paint it, and then we put the fuel cylinder in and put it back up under the car. All right. So I got this face up top, spray painted. So now I know I could have did this white just like I did the rear end, but I'm cool. Just have the rear end be its own thing back down there. We'll be good. All right, I'm about to put this fuel cylinder on, and then we done down here for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll raise it up. All right, I'm gonna try to do it one hand, and then see if we can do it. All right, so we got to get that in. Oh, shit. There you go. Hold on, my bad, y'all. In there. Come on, baby. Don't. Boom. Shit. Alright, that's in. And some wire out the way. Alright, boom. That's gonna sit in there. Not bad. I'm like the camera dude when y'all want to see a fight or something. Cameraman can't get it right. Bro hams, stank feet and toe jams. Check me out. So the new fuel cylinder. Here I was getting pissed off. I was gonna return this shit because I put it in and it wouldn't go further. I was about to be, listen, it's whatever. I was pissed off, frustrated, the whole nine. So what I did was I put this down on the ground like this, right? So this piece here, and then the bottom of this piece here, and I just pushed it down until it bent. I went on the forums. No one was talking about it, specifically the filter arm, but I think they were talking about it because they were talking about this. They kept saying the the fuel level, which this is what gives the ohms, but it was actually this that was in the way. So bend this down. Right, you're going to push this and bend it down. And then this opens up just enough to where this could sit in there, right? So that's one. All right, so let me put this in there. There we go. All right, see, so it sits in there good. Now, the other side to it is this. The lock. This lock comes flat, really clean and flat, but you don't want it flat because when you put this down on there, it's not going to be able to, let me show you guys. When you put this down, can y'all see that? Yeah. When you put this down on here, okay, when you look at this, there's some notches in here. This notch, or I guess not a notch, but this little piece that comes out right here. There's another piece here, and then there's a third one like right over here. Oh, you can't see it, but yeah, the third one right here. This needs to be able to slide under that. So what you need to do is take yourself some pliers. This metal is not like crazy strong. You just take some pliers and bend those edges down just enough. You don't need to do like anything crazy. So when it oh shoot. So when you go to put this on and you want that latch to connect, with that bent down, you'll be able to get that to fit in there the way you want it to. So that's in there. We're done with this portion of the fucking job, man. When I tell you this shit pissed me off, man, goodness gracious. All right, y'all. Before we move on to the next steps, let me show y'all where we at. I got the tank up, back up in its place, and I got new hoses on all of the fuel lines. Even up this way, up through there, and even on that end. So the tank is good. I just need to connect that ground wire to the chassis and then we're straight. So there you go. There you have it. The gas tank is installed. Next week we'll get back to part 4? We're gonna get back on part 4 and have the rear end installed back into the car, and the car will be on all fours. You know what I'm saying? So rock with your boy. Follow me on Instagram, because when I activate it back, come on, man. You know the stories go crazy. And if you a car guy, car girl, and you go crazy on yours, I usually come follow back, comment, and like, and all that. So make sure you do it. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, bro. I need it. I'm at 59. Get me to 100. Tell a friend and tell a friend. I keep telling y'all. Hey, and with that being said, we've done everything in the garage so far. So y'all know the slogan. Built, not bought. The garage is the shop. Ooh, okay, that hasn't been the slogan, but it's the slogan now. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's Keys.